The Canadian $1 coin, commonly called the Loonie, W. As introduced in 1987 by the Royal Canadian Mint. It replaced the Canadian $1 banknote because coins last much longer in circulation and save money over time. Coins in the world, the Canadian $1 coin, better known as the Loonie. This unique gold-colored coin has become a national symbol of Canada and has an interesting history that stretches back decades. Whether you found one in your collection, received one while traveling, or are simply curious about world coins, stay with us as we explore the story behind the Canadian Loonie. Before the Loonie was introduced, Canada used a $1 banknote. These paper bills circulated for many years and were widely used throughout the country. However, government officials realized that paper money wore out quickly and had to be replaced often. Printing replacement notes cost millions of dollars every year. To solve this problem, the Canadian government decided to introduce a $1 coin that would last much longer than paper currency. Coins can remain in circulation for decades, making them more economical in the long run. After years of planning and design work, the Royal Canadian Mint officially released the new $1 coin in 1987. The original design plan was actually different from the coin Canadians know today. The Royal Canadian Mint intended to place an image of a voyageur, a French-Canadian fur trader, on the reverse side of the coin. However, during production, the master dies used to create the design were reportedly lost or misplaced. This unexpected problem forced the mint to choose a different design. As a result, officials selected a beautiful image of a common loon floating on a peaceful lake. The loon is a bird found throughout Canada and is known for its distinctive call and graceful appearance. The design was created by artist Robert Ralph Carmichael and quickly became popular among Canadians. Because of the loon image, people began calling the coin the Loonie. The nickname caught on almost immediately and became so popular that it is now recognized across Canada and around the world. Today, many people rarely refer to the coin as the $1 coin. Instead, they simply call it the Loonie. One of the most interesting features of the Loonie is its shape. Although it appears round at first glance, it actually has 11 sides. This unique shape helps distinguish it from other coins and makes it easier for vending machines and coin-operated devices to identify. The coin's distinctive design also helps visually impaired individuals recognize it more easily. The coin was originally struck using a bronze-plated nickel composition that gave it its famous golden appearance. Over the years, the Royal Canadian Mint made several changes to the metal composition and security features. These improvements helped reduce counterfeiting and increased the coin's durability. On the obverse side of the coin is a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. Several different portraits have appeared over the years as the Queen aged. Each portrait reflects a different period of her reign and serves as a historical record of Canada's connection to the British monarchy. The reverse side continues to feature the iconic loon design that has become a symbol of Canadian identity. The simple yet elegant artwork remains one of the most recognizable coin designs in the world. The introduction of the Loonie was considered a major success. Canadians quickly adapted to using the new coin, and the government saved significant amounts of money by eliminating the need to print large numbers of $1 notes. The success of the Loonie eventually inspired another major currency change. In 1996, Canada introduced a $2 coin known as the toonie. Like the Loonie, the toonie replaced a paper banknote and became an important part of everyday Canadian life. Together, the Loonie and toonie represent a unique chapter in modern currency history. Over the years, the Royal Canadian Mint has produced many commemorative versions of the Loonie. These special editions celebrate important events, anniversaries, achievements, and historical milestones. Some commemorative Loonies feature colored designs, unique finishes, or limited mintages that make them especially attractive to collectors. Collectors enjoy searching for rare dates, error coins, and special commemorative issues. Certain varieties have become highly sought after in the numismatic community. Error coins with striking mistakes, unusual finishes, or production anomalies can sometimes sell for significant premiums. One notable variety is the 1987 Loonie, the first year of issue. While common circulated examples usually carry only modest premiums, high-grade uncirculated specimens can attract collector interest. Coins certified in exceptional condition often command higher prices due to their scarcity. Another area of interest for collectors is the changing portrait designs of Queen Elizabeth II. Different years feature different portraits, allowing collectors to build complete sets representing the various stages of her reign. These sets provide a fascinating visual timeline of Canadian coinage history. The loonie has become much more than a simple coin. It serves as a symbol of Canada's economy, culture, and national identity. Financial commentators often use the term loonie when discussing the value of the Canadian dollar in international currency markets. As a result, the nickname has become part of everyday financial language. The coin has also appeared in popular culture, sports traditions, and national celebrations. One famous story involves the 2002 Winter Olympics in Salt Lake City. According to reports, a Canadian worker secretly placed a loonie beneath the center ice surface of the hockey rink. When Canada's men's and women's hockey teams both won gold medals, many fans credited the hidden coin with bringing good luck. The story became known as the Lucky Loonie legend. Today, the Royal Canadian Mint continues to produce loonies for circulation and collectors alike. Modern versions include advanced security features designed to prevent counterfeiting. These enhancements demonstrate the Mint's commitment to maintaining the integrity of Canadian currency. For collectors, the value of most circulated loonies remains close to face value. A typical circulated coin is generally worth $1 Canadian. However, special commemorative issues, rare varieties, mint errors, and coins in pristine condition can be worth much more. Some exceptional examples have sold for hundreds or even thousands of dollars depending on rarity and demand. When evaluating a loonie, collectors pay close attention to factors such as condition, year of issue, mint variety, and overall eye appeal. Coins with sharp details, original luster, and minimal wear are generally more desirable than heavily circulated examples. If you own a Canadian loonie, it is worth examining the date and overall condition carefully. While most examples are common, you never know when you might discover a scarce variety or valuable error coin hiding in a collection, coin jar, or inherited estate. The story of the loonie demonstrates how a simple design change can create a national icon. What began as a practical effort to replace a paper dollar evolved into one of the most beloved coins in modern history. Its unique shape, golden color, and beautiful loon design have made it instantly recognizable to millions of people around the world. For nearly 4 decades, the Canadian loonie has played an important role in daily commerce while also serving as a proud symbol of Canadian heritage. From its unexpected design origins to its legendary place in sports history, the loonie remains one of the most fascinating modern coins ever produced. Thank you for watching.